Paramenio Yuso, Ibad Yuso, in short for North. Did you curious why did I find that the limit of square root of x minus 4 as x approaches to 13 is equals to 3? Well, today, I will show you why. But first, we will determine the value of limit of the square root of x minus 4 as x approaches to 13 to the left by substituting the value, assuming the value of itself is approaches to the 13. In this case, I get the value of x by determining the most nearest number.
Usop.
Now I get 12. When I substitute 12 to the x, I get 2.8. And the other one I substitute 12.9 and I get 2.98. And I substitute 12.99, I get 2.99. And when I substitute the value that I assume 12.999, I get the value of x will be 2.99. I conclude that the limit when x approaches to 13 when to the left is equals to 3. While in the other hand, when the limit approaches to 13 to the right, when I substitute the 14, I get the value of x is equals to 3.16. And when I substitute 13.5, I get the value of x is 3.08. And when I substitute this 13.3, I get the value of x is 3.04. When I substitute this 13.1, I get the value of 3.017. In conclusion, the limit of x as x approaches to 13 to the left is equals to the limit of x as x approaches to the 13 to the right is equal. I conclude that the limit of x as the limit of the square root of x minus 4 as x approaches to 13 is equals to 3. Now we move on to another one. Given the piecewise function